Hello students. In the previous class we were discussing about the system of units. So let us remind the system of units and explanation of each system. Students, the units have the four system of units. What are those? First one is CGS system. CGS system. Next one is MKS system. MKS system. Third one is FES system. FES system. Fourth one is SI system. Right? The four system of units here. CGS means centimeter gram second. Length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, time is measured in second in CGS system. Right? In MKS system, MKS means meter kilogram second. Meter kilogram second. Length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kg, kilogram, time is measured in second. Right? In FES system, FES means foot pound second. I mean length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and time is measured in second. Finally, SI system. Right? SI system is a modified form of MKS system. Modified form of MKS system. Actually in MKS system what happens? Length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in second. Then I am saying that SI system is a modified form of MKS system. SI system in International System of Units. How to write this? International System of Units. International System of Units. System of Units. International System of Units. Full form you can call. Students, in this modified form of SI system, it consists of 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. What I am going to say? ಈ SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗ್ರಿ 7 ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಮತ್ತು 2 ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ 7 ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲುಕ್ ಆಟ್ ಮೀ. See here, I will take first fundamental units. Fundamental physical quantity I will take in one column. Right? In next column I will take symbol. Right? In third column I will take unit. Right? Students, in the previous class already we know about the units. Right? Look at me, what are the fundamental physical quantities here? One is what? Length. Length is a fundamental physical quantity. Right? Symbol of length. Length can be represented by L or it can be represented by capital L. Unit. SI unit. SI unit of length, that is meter. What you can call? Meter. Represented by small m. Right? Unit shall I take directly? That I will take meter. Next one, mass. Right? Symbol can be represented by small m. And SI unit of mass, that is kg. I mean mass is measured in terms of kg in SI system. Right? Next one is time. It is represented by small t. The SI unit of time, that we are calling second, right? Fourth one, temperature. Its symbol is capital T, and SI unit of temperature, that is nothing but Kelvin, that we are calling Kelvin. Fifth one, electric current. Electric current. Its symbol is nothing but I, or you can represent by small I, right? SI unit of electric current, that is ampere, right? Sixth one is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. Symbol is I, right? SI unit of luminous intensity, that is candela. Last one is amount of substance. Right? It has no symbol. And SI unit of amount of substance, that is measured in terms of mole. Right? Are you following this? Look at me one by one. Shall I take once again? The mass, that symbol is nothing but M, time symbol is nothing but T, temperature symbol is capital T, electric current symbol, either you can represent by capital I or small I, right? Luminous intensity can be represented by A, amount of substance has no symbol, right? Shall I make this column? Right, Kelvin, ampere, candela, mole, right? This is fundamental physical quantity. I mean, in SI system 7 fundamental physical quantities are there along with 7 fundamental units. What are those in SI system? Length, SI unit of length is meter. Mass, SI unit of mass is kg. Time, SI unit of time is second. Temperature, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Electric current, SI unit of electric current is ampere. Luminous intensity, SI unit is candela. Amount of substance, that is measured in terms of mole, right? We said that 7 fundamental units are there along with 2 supplementary units are there in SI system. The supplementary units are supplementary units in SI system. Those are, one is nothing but plane angle. Next one is solid angle. Right? Look at me. Its symbol is nothing but theta, and this symbol is nothing but what steradian we can call. Right, students? Then plane angle, what is the SI unit of plane angle? Plane angle has the unit, it is measured in terms of radian. That is SI unit of plane angle is radian. And finally, solid angle. SI unit of solid angle is a steradian. It is a steradian. Shall I write here? Look at me. Plane angle, its SI unit is nothing but radian, and solid angle has the SI unit, that is a steradian. What you can call steradian. I said that 2 supplementary units are there in case of SI system, that we are calling plane angle and solid angle, and these are what 7 fundamental units. after the students, after this we should know how to measure the length. How to measure the length, that concept we will see. That is measurement of length. Right, students, now let us see measurement of length. Look at me, students, let us see one by one. Our next concept is measurement of length. Look at me. In this session, let us see how the length can be measured, how mass can be measured, how time can be measured, along with their smaller units and practical units along with the bigger units, that we will see in this class. Students, first of all, let us see what is the meaning of length. Meaning of length. Length andre eno? Students, I will have 2 points in the space. Consider it is a space, right? In the space I will have 2 points. This is one point, this is the second point, right? This point we are calling A and this point we are calling B. Length mean the distance between 2 points in the space. Distance between 2 points in the space. See here, what this is nothing but distance between 2 points in the space. This we are calling length. How to represent? Length can be represented by L. Now length andre ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎರಡು ಬಿಂದುವಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಅಂತರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಉದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Right? Students, generally length can be measured in terms of centimeter. Right? Length can be measured in terms of meter, or length can be measured in terms of kilometer. These are smaller units, I mean general units. Centimeter is resemble to CGS system, meter resemble to what? MKS system, or what you can call SI system, and kilometer. The kilometer also resemble to MKS system here. But students, there are few smaller units are there, smaller units of length. ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ ನೀವು? The smaller units of length is, shall I write? 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter mean 10 raised to minus 3. 1 millimeter mean 10 raised to minus 3. Next, 1 micrometer. 1 micro. Look at me. Micro. This symbol is micro. 1 micrometer mean 10 raised to minus 6 meter. 10 raised to minus 6 meters. Next, 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer mean 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Minus 9 meter. Right? 1 angstrom unit. 1 angstrom unit. 1 angstrom unit equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. These are what? Few smaller units of length. Right? What these are? Smaller units. Smaller units of length. I mean, these are practical unit we can call, or can smaller units. But students, the length has a bigger units also possible, larger units of length. Larger units of length. There are 3 larger units of length are there. One is astronomical unit. One is astronomical unit, and second one is parsec, and the third one is nothing but light year. Right? Shall I take larger units of length? Larger units of length. Larger units of length. Shall I take? Look at me. First larger unit is nothing but astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Second one is light year. Light year. And third one is parsec. Parsec. These are what? Larger units of length. Larger units of length. Let us see one by one. What is astronomical unit? What is light year? And what is parsec? One by one we will see, students. Shall I go directly? I will go directly for astronomical unit. Look at me. 1 second I will go. See here. Look at me. Astronomical unit we will see. First one is astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Students, here astronomical unit is the average distance from sun to earth. This is what? Average distance from sun to earth, that we are calling astronomical unit. How it is? It is average distance. Average distance. Average distance from sun to earth. Sun to earth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಅಂತರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿಕಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿಕಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸನ್ ಟು ಅರ್ತ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿಕಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. One astronomical unit equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to L1 method is there. 10 raised to L1 method. Students, actually the length has measured in terms of two systems, in terms of two methods. One we are calling direct method and second one we are calling indirect method. Actually these are the direct method, how to measure the length. Astronomical unit we are calling direct method. Indirect method that we will see later. Now remember, in direct method what we are going to say? Astronomical unit is the average distance from sun to earth. Next one light year. Light year. Students, light year mean the distance travelled by light for 1 year. Light year is what? The distance travelled by the light in air or vacuum in 1 year, that we are calling light year. Shall I go directly? Light year mean the distance travelled. Distance travelled. Distance travelled by light. By light in air. In air or vacuum for 1 year. For 1 year. What I said? distance traveled by the light in air or vacuum for 1 year, that we are calling light year. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಕಿನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಕ್ರಮಿಸ್ತದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ 1 light year ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In 1 year students, light has a travel for some distance, that is distance traveled by the light, that is 1 light we are calling. 1 light year equal to 9.4 into 10 raised to 15 meter. What this is? The distance traveled by light for 1 year. Distance traveled for light in 1 year. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತದ? 9.4 into 10 raised to 15 ಹೋಗ್ತದ. This is what? Distance traveled by the light. Next one is parsec. What is it? Larger unit of length. Larger unit of length is what? Parsec. Parsec. What is meaning of parsec here? Students, parsec is the distance from sun to object. It is what? The distance from sun to object which has a parallax angle of 1 arc second. What I said? The distance from sun to object which has parallax angle of 1 arc second, that we are calling parsec. What this is? The distance from sun to object which has parallax angle of 1 arc second. 1 arc second. We learn in cooking class what is parallax angle and what is the meaning of 1 arc second. Parallax angle of 1 arc second. Students, look at me here. Here 1 arc second mean 1 arc second we can call, that we are calling 1 parsec. 1 parsec equal to 3.13 into 10 raised to 16 meter. 3.13 into 10 raised to 16 meter. This is 1 parsec. 1 parsec means how much? 3.13 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Students, I said that there are 3 larger units of length are there. One is astronomical unit, second one is light year, and third one is parsec. Now let us take what are the relations among astronomical unit, light year and parsec. Let us see one by one. The relation among all 3 practical units. Now students, let us see relation between light year and astronomical unit. Light year and astronomical unit. Let us see that. Right? Students, let us see relation between light year and astronomical unit. Relation between light year and astronomical unit. relation between light year and astronomical unit. ಈ astronomical unit ಮತ್ತು light year ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅದ ನೋಡೋಣ. Students, we know that one light year, actually what is one light year? One light year, how to read this? One light year. One light year equal to 9.4 into 10 raised to 15 meter. One light year 9.4 into 10 raised to 15 meter. Shall I call? It is equation number 1. Right? Then what is one astronomical unit? One astronomical unit equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. 10 raised to 11 meter. Simply one light year mean what? Distance travelled by light for 1 year in air or vacuum. Right? One astronomical unit mean average distance from sun to earth. Now students, simply divide equation 1 by 2. 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? Divide ಮಾಡೋಣ. How to write? See here. 1 light year whole divided by 1 astronomical unit equal to, how to write? 9.4 into 10 raised to 15 whole divided by 1.5 into 10 raised to 11. Right arrow? Now, shall I take 1 light year whole divided by 1 astronomical unit equal to 9.4 divided by 1.5. 9.4 divided by 1.5 is nothing but how much? 6.26. Here plus 15 is there, minus L1 is there. Plus L1 goes upside, minus L1. Right? 10 raised to 15 minus 10 raised to L1. That equal to how much? 10 raised to 4. Right or? Then what you got from this? From this what you got, students? Shall I write? Directly here. 1 light year. 1 light year. 1 light year equal to 6.26 into 10 raised to 4 into how much? 1 astronomical unit. Finally what you got? 1 light year equal to 6.26 into 10 raised to 4 of how much? 1 astronomical unit. This is the relation between 1 light year and astronomical unit. 1 light year and 1 astronomical unit. This is the one relation. What I said? Relation between light year and astronomical unit. So let us see this relation for a few seconds. We will start one more relation. Now, let us see one more relation between parsec and 1 astronomical unit. Shall I see? Relation between parsec and astronomical unit. Relation between parsec and astronomical unit. This relation we will see. Students, we know that 1 parsec is equal to how much? 3.1 into 10 raised to 16 meter. See here, 1 parsec equal to how much? 3.1 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Shall I call this the equation number 1? Right or wrong? Similarly, we know 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit equal to how much? 1.5 into how much? 10 raised to L1 meter. That we are calling equation 2. Again very simple, divide equation 1 by 2, what you will get? See here, 1 parsec whole divided by 1 astronomical unit equal to how much? 3.1 into 10 raised to 16 whole divided by 1.5 into 10 raised to L1 meter. Right, meter get cancelled. What you got here? 3.1 divided by 1.5. 3.1 divided by 1.5 is equal to 2.06. 1 parsec whole divided by 1 astronomical unit equal to how much? 2.06 into, here 16 is there, here L1 is there, plus L1 goes upside, minus L1. 16 minus L1, that is how much? Plus 5, 10 raised to 5 is there. Then what you got? From this what you got? 1 parsec equal to 2.06 into 10 raised to 5 into 1 astronomical unit. This is what? Relation between parsec and astronomical unit. Now parsec ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು astronomical unit ಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Let us take one more relation. View this relation for few seconds. See this relation. Next one is, final one is relation between parsec and light year. Relation between parsec and light year. See here, relation between light year and parsec. Right? Relation between light year and parsec. Students, you know 1 light year. What is 1 light year? 1 light year equal to 9.4 into 10 raised to how much? 15 meter. Right? Then what is 1 parsec? Shall I call this is equation 1? 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 parsec ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 parsec equal to 3.1 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Call it as 2. Right? Now again divide equation 1 by 2. 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ನ divide ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ? 1 light year whole divided by 1 parsec equal to 9.4 into 10 raised to 15 meter. 3.1 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Meter get cancelled. Then what is remaining? 1 light year whole divided by 1 parsec equal to 9.4 divided by 3.1. 9.4 divided by 3.1 equal to 3.03. Right? Plus 15 divided by plus 16. Plus 16 goes upside, minus 16. Plus 15 minus 16. How much this is? 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1. Shall I do one more step here? 1 light year divided by how much? 1 parsec equal to, shall I write this? 3.03. 10 raised to minus 1 bring bottom side. How it becomes? Becomes 10. 10 raised to plus 1. Right or wrong? Then divided by 10, how much you got? See here. 1 light year equal to how much? 1 light year equal to 0.303 divided by how much? 1 parsec. Or finally 1 light year equal to 0.303 into how much? 1 light year, sorry, 1 astronomical, 1 parsec equal to 1 parsec. This is final relation, right? Three relation already we have seen. Relation between astronomical unit and what you can call astronomical unit. First relation is astronomical unit along with light year. Second one is relation between parsec and astronomical unit, and third relation is relation between light year and parsec. Students, this is how to measure the length by direct method. Then by how to measure the length by indirect method, that we will see in the next class. Thank you.